Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic that is about utility. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question number 1. We want to find the service fees recognized. So we need to be careful about recognize in here. That means they need to perform the service. So in this situation, we have the service fees, but we include the fees, and this one did not perform. That means we need to minus about these numbers in here. Later that we have 8,470. That means we have the fee, and this one we just performed, so we need to include this one. So we calculate this number, and we have 10,874 US dollars, and this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, number 3, and number 4, we have these journal entries. So we have these numbers in here. Because we have this bill and we did not pay it yet, so that's why our bill is expected only in July, so we need to wait at the end of the July. That's why we have this journal entries in here. So this number we put in here, and here, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.